Herzlich willkommen in Berlin. Welcome to Berlin, Germany. I'm staying at a place called Tannhaus, which is a mid-term apartment complex for, not really for short-term visitors, but for professionals who have some work to do in Berlin and they need an apartment for a short time, but they don't want to hassle with rentals, and they just come here and they can choose between different apartments for mid-term, for a couple of months or even for a month. So this apartment is located in Berlin's Mitte district. It's right in the middle of East and West Germany. The famous Berlin Wall used to stand right at the other side of the street, and this is one of the nicer apartments. Actually, all of them are brand new and their design is great. Look at all these concrete walls that may look a little cold, but in fact, with all these lovely furniture and colors, it makes a very nice ambience. The apartment is not huge. It would be like a bigger suite in one of the hotels. You pay one fixed price for a month, and then you can use almost all the facilities. There are some things that are charged to your account, but for example, there's free Wi-Fi, there's laundromats downstairs in the basement. Actually, you need to pay for them. You can play ping pong, and there are some TVs and lounge areas by the reception. So let me show you this apartment, this studio. First, you have a kitchen. It's a small kitchen. I'm not sure that you're going to make huge dinner parties here, but it has some of the most essential things like a microwave, which I guess functions as an oven, maybe? Probably, I'm not sure about that. You have a sink, you have a dishwasher, which is pretty neat. I've never seen this before, that you just pull it out. It has a very small fridge. Actually, that's very odd. And there's not much that you can put into this fridge, but it seems very practical for this small space. You can cook some stuff here. You have a water boiler, you have some utensils and things to cook with. There are 3 sets of glasses and utensils. Actually, I have no idea why only 3 and not 4. Some more stuff to use in the kitchen, bowls. Basically, that's it. That's the kitchen. A dining area with 2 chairs and a very nice lounge area. The sofa bed, well actually no, it's not a bed, it's just a sofa bed. You cannot make it a pull-out bed. This is very comfortable. I was watching TV from here last night, and the design is neat. It has some nice pillows. The furniture is really cool and modern. Modern, yet it has this retro vibe. Now there's a TV, a flat screen TV, not a huge screen, but I don't think you would need a really bigger one, with plenty of German and international channels. You have a mirror just to check your makeup and how you look before you leave. By the way, the door opens with a key card, so you don't have the traditional keys, but a key card. And this is what you need to enter the building also. The bed is this is a normal size bed, double bed. It was pretty comfortable, and there's plenty of light in the room. There are 2 large pillows, these big pillows that I'm not a big fan of, but I always bring my travel pillow with me. You have electric plugs on both sides of the bed. Also, you can read with those lights. There is a desk. It's facing the window, so you get plenty of light, with some storage space here for your most important things. The electric plugs for your laptop, well, you can use one of the plugs under the bed. In case you want total darkness, you can actually pull all the curtains, and then you get a pretty good dark area in which you can sleep. But there's also shades that would come down when you press one of the buttons. For storage, you have this wardrobe. You can hang your clothes there. Now, if you are here for longer times, these... I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it out. You know, these... you cannot really take these away, but you don't want to take these away, but it's a pain in the neck to use these type of hangers, because the other part is fixed to this thing, and then it's just not comfortable. Well, not for me. And there's also a full-size mirror that's very practical. Whoever designed this place for sure is a frequent traveler and knows what travelers need, except for a few minor details. There's also some more storage in front of the bed, for your laundry maybe, or for your shoes, or for things that you cannot really pack away. Okay, this is really cool. So this is a piece of art. They have more than 170 of these created only for this apartment building. And originally they were this magnificent, huge wooden wall painted with graffiti and spray paint. And then they disassembled all of them, and now every apartment in this building has one of these pieces. And then if you put together, then you get the whole big, beautiful painting, which is actually right here. So, this was the original painting, and later was disassembled, and I don't know which part is ours. Doesn't matter. Now let's have a look at the bathroom. Okay, the bathroom is fairly small. It has a tub and it has a shower head on the top, and then you can also fill the tub with water, and then you can just relax in the tub. There's no handheld shower. That's I think I'm missing that. And there's one thing I noticed. This green shower curtain looks great from the outside, but when you're inside the shower, it's super dark. And because it does not have a window, it doesn't feel good that you are in like a dark place when you are showering. At least I don't like that. Soap, water, some places to put your stuff, but there isn't enough storage room here, unfortunately. There is the toilet with the toilet brush. And also a heater. Well, that's the bathroom. And basically that is the apartment. This was the Tannhaus, which is an apartment building for midterm usage, mostly for professionals who come to Berlin to work. Make sure you check out the other videos that I created in 360 degrees. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. And see you at the next adventure. This was Balazs and the Travels of Balazs from Berlin. Bye.